begin, if you want to display hidden files like Desktop.ini on your Windows 11 computer, there is a straightforward method. Locate the three dots in the top right corner of your File Explorer window. Click on these dots, then navigate to the View option. From the drop-down menu, select Show, and then choose Hidden Items. If Desktop.ini files are currently hidden, they will now become visible. To reverse this and hide them again, simply repeat the process. Click the three dots, go to View, select Show, and then uncheck the Hidden Items box. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.